Welcome back to the Solinst customer video series. In this video, we will give you a closer look at the AquaVent vented water level data logger, wellhead, and other components. The complete AquaVent system consists of an AquaVent logger connected to a vented cable, which is supported by a hanger bracket and connected to the wellhead. To block moisture from entering the vented system, the wellhead contains a built-in hydrophobic filter. There is also a hydrophobic filter in the AquaVent logger. For backup moisture protection, the AquaVent wellhead and logger contain multiple permanent desiccants. To connect the vented cable to the AquaVent wellhead, line up your thumbs with the alignment pin and the alignment socket. Bring the connections together using your thumb as guides, push in and twist slightly until you feel a small click as the properly aligned connection is made. Tighten the stainless steel coupling onto the wellhead connector. Do not twist the vented cable or wellhead. The wellhead also contains 4 user-replaceable 1.5 volt AA lithium batteries that power the AquaVent. They are easily accessed at the top of the wellhead. This SP, or Solinst protocol, AquaVent wellhead has just one 10-pin cable connection. The wellhead has a multicolour LED that indicates the status and operation of the AquaVent. The label explains what each light means. If this were an SPX wellhead, then there would be an additional 12-pin cable connection for use with Modbus or SDI12 compatible networks. From the 10-pin connection, a USB connector cable connects the wellhead to a PC. This allows you to program the AquaVent using Solinst PC software. Using a different connector cable, you can connect the wellhead to a Levelogger app interface Bluetooth device. The AquaVent can then communicate with the Solinst Levelogger app on your smartphone. You can use the same cable to connect the wellhead to a DataGrabber. This allows you to download the AquaVent data to a USB memory key. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to contact Solinst with any questions or comments.